Okay. Hello, checking 1 2 3. My voice so awesome. Yes. Hello, checking 1 2 3. Hello, 7 p.m. This is Sunday. Sunday. The second streaming on my main YouTube channel is so really awesome, and this is really great. Uh, dan seperti apa untuk apa tak tahu lah. Untuk apa, untuk hari keluarga agaknya. Nanti saya tunjukkan. I'll show you maybe what's the activity for this Sunday, and this is might be really flipping awesome. I hope you guys love it. You want to enjoy, and please subscribe in my channel. Yeah. What's on my upcoming premiere video? It will be on Friday, because it might be due to uploading problems. Gosh, I might be sure I didn't get it. Yes, there might be if you before upcoming premiere video on YouTube. Please wait until it process uploading finish. It's done until 100%. The processing video, the SD and HD. Yeah. You guys. Nothing. You wanna see it? Okay, I'll show you. So I just been alone at the behind in this hall in an entire beach. Take a look behind me. There's might be the beautiful beach. Holy cow, this is really mother flipping awesome, eh? I hope all voyagers will come to this beach. It's called Pantai Puteri. Yeah. Or it just might be in translate in English, I think it might be Princess Beach. Sounds confusing, right? So I'll be right back. But it might be I don't want to get detected the copyright this audio. That sucks. This might be a close one. This might be I want to talk about. The reason is I don't know what to say, but this is. I think it might be begin. Okay, let's go. Follow me.
Baik sama ibu bapa. Okey, saya menempuh kawan kita Muhammad Alika Bahasa untuk sedikit mendapat laluan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kepada semua yang hadir. Saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada yang hadir pada pagi ini untuk program terakhir saya. Ini pertama. Ini adalah kali pertama kita adakan dia. Tujuan kita adakan malam ini adalah untuk Okey, program kita akan mula sebentar lagi. Saya harap pada semua ibu bapa dapat menyiapkan anak dia. Okey, terima kasih. Okey, untuk acara sukan neka yang pertama iaitu orang dewasa. Untuk game tarik bola dengan gelung rotan. Yang pertama Izzuddin, Muhammad Idris, Samira, Khairi, Hafiq. Sukan neka sekarang ya. Izzuddin, Idris.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Tak apa, are you okay? Oh boy, this might be just like a. Yeah, I think this.
Kita akan mula sekejap lagi.
I think this things might be sure. I remember when I was at primary school. You see that? Do you see that? Oh yeah, that's really awesome. Holy moly, this is really great. Yeah, just like a point on POV stuff, or like if you want to want to wear the virtual reality set of VR headset. Awesome, eh? Oh dear. I want to play that. Okay. Okay, mother chuckers, ready? Oh. Oh wow, live stream. First live stream. Hurrah, hurrah, hurrah. Okay, I'm ready. Dah saja. Saya dah saja. SpongeBob SquarePants. Saya dah saja. Okay. Well, I need to play that game. So, I'll be right. Oh, hello. I'm back. I just doing that game. Sorry. I just doing game. Yeah, this one. I see that. So, it might be my mom doesn't want me to film this. But it's okay. There might be more. Huh? Apa? Oh. Sorry. I don't say the G word. Ouch. Sabar je lah.
Nombor T. Awak dapat nombor T. Hebat ah.
Apa je?
Guys, menanglah awak, menang.
Kita nombor 2.
Kita nombor 3. Kita nombor 3.
Bagus. Teman-teman tadi kita dah baru pula saja.
Menang lagi tau. Menang lagi.
Ya, insyaAllah.
Banyak hadiah ni.
Harap banyak aja saya belum dapat.
Hari, handphone simpan. Handphone simpan.
Hey.
Ayah. Ada yang
Okie dokie. Now it's their turn. Okay.
Okey, 1 minit dari sekarang. Cepat, banyak yang tak boleh gerak, boleh dukung ya.
Nana, Jojo, jom main dekat luar.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. any fear. I've been flying from town to town.
Okey, tamat. Okey, bagi yang sedia boleh ukur siapa nombor 1, nombor 2, nombor 3, nombor 4, nombor 5. Jangan silap botol
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Hi, it's MHBM and this is might be the busy windy today. Oi, angin sangat kuat oh. Angin kuat. Yay, hashtag MHBM suka. Anyway, yeah, I just played the game. I'm sorry. Did I say the G word? Dang it. This might be said, so it might be the homosexual. I better be careful. I just playing the games. Yeah, I think it might be. This might be disturbing. My mom calls me. Well, I was not here. Well, she wants me to come back. And yes, just like it might be my life. I always want to do that. Okay. Oh, holy cow. Okay, Cikgu G, apa saya main tadi tu apa semasa tu?
Kau main apa tadi?
Pegang bola pingpong.
Menggunakan sudu tu.
Ya.
Okey, apa perasaan awak bila awak pegang bola dengan sudu tu? Bola pingpong.
Oh.
Apa perasaan awak happy? Awak gerakkan macam tu lah awak happy lah. Okey, tadi permainan tarik bola?
Tarik bola? Macam
nombor apa tadi tarik bola tadi?
Nombor 3.
Nombor 3. Kenapa dah nombor 3? Kenapa tak nombor 1?
Angin kacau lah.
Angin kacau. Okey. Tapi apa-apa pun tahniah, Harry bagus and memahami acara permainan game tadi
Ya.
Okey, cikgu ada kecil.
Boleh cantik.
Tu dia.
Yang autism, hyper, yang tak boleh segala pergerakan dan pada
When did I miss it?
macam-macam.
Dang, not again. Oh, sabar je lah. Ice cream?
Minta ibu baru yang duduk balik tempat tadi. Ada tak mak atau yang satu pasangan anak dengan mak atau ayah, satu lagi pasangan di sinilah mak atau ayah kat sini untuk menerima ice cream daripada anak. Ada kumpul.
Hold on, I want to share this live streaming today.
Boleh bagi kod tu kepada anak.
I see.
Bagi anak bukan kan? Okey. Ni aiskrim paling besar ni. Tempat lain tak ada. Okey. Boleh bangun. Okey. Yang mana boleh jalan-jalan. Yang mana perlu didukung-dukung. Sampai kita teruskan jalan. 1, 2, 3. Okey, jadi betul ya. Kadang-kadang tahap satu dah selesai, kita satu lagi game.
lagu apa pun boleh pengaruhi. Kalau nak buat 2 lagu 2 lagu 3 lagu pun boleh okey. Seterusnya kita mempersilakan kerana budi jasa tertawan.
No copyright. I want to talk about there's no need to copyright audio. Well, even there might be some of the DJ, they're doing some music, and I don't want the YouTube that gets to the copyright music. It might be some people, some of the companies has agreed to fair use. In the US, sometimes might be not understand, or it might be still even a valid. It might be stay put. But it won't be downloaded this video as online. I mean offline. This is really sucks. I don't think YouTube is not to be a dingus. Why? Because what I always want to do about. Yeah, I want to talk about. It might be about the terms and service about that YouTube. The COPPA is taking over YouTube. It might be your videos that have been detected as made for kids or not, and what the heck just happened. I don't know what it is. Well, I know this might be pretty sucks. Sometimes not. Even like me, I'm not worried because about that. Yeah, some of my videos have been uploaded. It might be made for kids. Ouch. Oh dear. This sucks. Even I might be sure there's might be not to do that. YouTube is not about business. This might be the all community what we have is something to know what we support YouTube as we like it. Why should the people understand? Yes, I do. I'm not even worried about this. It might be. I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about that. Promise me. Trust me, I won't be worried about that. Even Charmix, he's from Canada. He's a YouTuber. He's doing reactions. Worry about that. What's the result of his YouTube channel of Charmix? Well, it's not to do that. Charmix YouTube channel is not intended for kids. It might be that it's for 30 years old or over. Until it might be something that something that are puppets or something like that. It might be a tactic that are made for kids. I know. I've been aware of him because Charmix. I know Charmix. If you're watching this video or live stream video, I hope you've been worried, and don't send the negative comments to COPPA, because COPPA is taking over. What stands for? Insurance, online, piracy, Protection Act. I know, don't get it for that. It might be sure there might be still a petition here on change.org to save YouTube, save family-friendly content on YouTube. It might be still there. If you want to see it, it might be still there, still there. You might be see the description link below. It might be even nearly 100 or something like that. Holy cow! This might be great. It might be sure we're gonna save YouTube. Always might be this year. It might be. Don't let COPPA wants to take over YouTube. It might be sure to do that. Yep. Okay, now get back to the yeah. Oh gosh dang, I'm almost there. Oh, oopsie daisy. Look at this beautiful beach. There might be waves. Look at it. Tengok Oh, someone take a picture. I think it might be for photo shooting. I think it might be new wets. Well, new wets, I guess. Oh, she blows. Ah, all right.
Cik Ramat. Cik Ramat Zaman ada, Cik Zaini ada, Cik Yaya.
Sorry, I'm just yawning.
Cik Yaya, yang terakhir. Getah bagi orang yang belakang pegang.
Okay, something is about a busy wind, and I'll be right back. Everybody, hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. Breezy wind out there. Holy cow. Yep, sure. No, I just see my mom, what she doing is for the longest straw or something, doing attach all the straws together with a I don't know what it is. I'm maybe sure it's kind of a bit nasty or something like that. No, this might be activity. This is not about that. It might be for family day of PPDK Seri Utama. Yeah, I know that. It's this activity for family day. I know it might be for today. Today is Sunday. Sure. If you live in Hong Kong, watch Sunday Report, Sunday 7 p.m. here on TBJ. Yes. And yes, really sure. And I'm gonna leave this for this. It might be after I end this stream. I mean, before I want to end this live streaming, and think about that. There's might be about that. I forgot I'm doing something. Therefore, I'm doing live streaming. It might be not even announce it. So I'll look at this beach. It might be behind me, and this might be the sunny day at Malacca. This is might be not a summer. This is not a summer anyway. Well, but they do. It might be in my country has. Okay, when you live in your area, if you're European, British, Swedish, American, British, Irish, you can come and visit my state, Malacca. I'm not a good tour guide because the tour guide will show you around because I'm not a tour guide. Please come to visit Malacca. This is really great, and also come to my country, Malaysia. There's a place to be for the Islamic country, the part of the ASEAN. And yes, I will end this live streaming until it's done, okay? I promise. It will be so awesome. I agree. Oh no, it's copyright. Okay, time to go. But not now, we're not done yet. But I'm not done yet. Ha 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 ha. Dang. Whoops.
Dan kita kuasa PPDK Utama yang sama-sama dengan kita menjayakan program perkalikan tadi hingga hari keluarga hari ini. Para ibu bapa penjaga adalah istimewa PPDK Seri Utama yang sama-sama menjayakan hari keluarga sebagai ikatan saksi usulan saya PPDK. kepada pihak Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat, khususnya Puan Nur Malina dan juga si Raza, dan kita akan bersama-sama kita setiap konten yang kita anjurkan beli untuk kebaikan di pusat pemilihan dalam komiti Utama ini. Kepada tuan-tuan dan puan, saya bagi pihak Ketua Kasut Utama kami ini, kita sekadar menjalankan tanggungjawab dan tugas kami bagi bantukan, pastikan anak-anak tuan-tuan mendapat layanan dan juga asuhan, juga latihan yang sewajarnya di mana anak-anak Malaysia yang lain, dan kita mengharapkan segala tujuan ini insya-Allah akan dirahmati dan diberkati oleh Allah SWT. Saya juga ibaratkan ucapan bukan saya kepada para penyumbang yang selalu menjayakan program kita pada hari ini, terutama para penyumbang, kembalikan Bang Waringin dan juga para bagi sifat yang bagi hadiah yang kedua dan ucapkan hidayah yang tak memberikan sahabatnya berkecilan dan juga beberapa penjaga yang pada hari ini sama-sama berkongsi ibadah langganan terutama dalam harapan pagi tadi. Terima kasih teman-teman puan, kita lakukan bersama yang ini kita dapat mencarikan segala aktiviti yang kita ada. Saya ini kita mohon kita sentiasa jadi kebaikan anak-anak kita nanti pusat ini adalah utama ini. Dan kepada rakan-rakan daripada tim ini kita sama-sama membantu bayakan program pada hari ini yang ada kuasa dan bersikap melakukan kita. Terima kasih. Jadi apa yang dapat saya utarakan tuan-tuan, sekadar mendoakan segala semangat tuan-tuan dan juga segala perbuatan tuan-tuan dirahmati dan diberkati oleh Allah SWT. Terima kasih tuan-tuan lebih kurang, terlebih sekurang saya mohon ampun dan maaf bagi saya terpaksa, dan kita harap program ini akan kita lakukan sepanjang tahun atau pada setiap tahun sebagai satu aktiviti kelainan tahunan PPDK Utama. Dan mungkin kita akan pilih lokasi lain, dan saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada tuan-tuan dan puan yang buat penjaga dan pelatihan yang langsung mengantar Utama kepada program tadi.
Hola amigos, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, share or comment this video, because sharing word that's caring. Please subscribe on my channel on YouTube. Don't forget, I am HBM and thank you for your time. Sounds good, right? You know what to do. Hashtag flex on.